Hi all, in this session we are going to discuss some of the important track properties. Right here we have some footages placed on our timeline and we have the corresponding video and audio tracks created right here. You can see the first track number 1 assigned for video track and track number 2 assigned for audio track. In the first track we have an icon called a level. We have a level slider also which can be used to adjust the transparency of the events which are placed on this particular track. Earlier we have seen how to apply an effect to a particular media event. That's by going to the right hand side and clicking on event effects. So by clicking event effects we will get this drop down list and we can apply a particular effect to that single media footage. So if you want to place a common effect to all the events on a single track, then you need to apply that effect from the track effects right here in this first track header. Click on track effects, and if you apply a particular effect, for example, just I am going to click the color balance, add OK, then you can have the adjustments. Okay, then you will see the same effect is applied to all the footages which are placed on this particular track. So I am just undoing that effect. So again you can change the transparency settings of all the events in a particular track by clicking on the compositing mode. Compositing mode determines how the layer transparency is adjusted. So if I click on that, you will get some of the options, and if you go for something like an overlay, and you can see the difference. You can see one layer is getting overlaid on the other one. So likewise you can choose different transparency settings from the compositing mode. So in the transparency settings you can select different modes to decide which level of transparency you want to the particular video. So that effect will be common to the all events which are placed on a particular track. So we discussed about the track properties right here in the first video track. We mentioned about the level and the level slider and the track effects which affects the entire events on a particular track, and here we have the compositing mode which is used to adjust the transparency settings of the footages. So we can see a mute button here. If you press on that mute button, then the entire events on that particular track will be muted. So in the audio track you have a volume slider and a pan button. Volume slider can be used to adjust the volume for the entire events on that particular track, and you have a similar mute button here. If you press that mute button, all the audio events on that particular track will be muted. So if we want to have a customized control over the audio and video properties, you can have that by putting an envelope. So in the video track right here I am going to insert a track composite level. So you will see a particular line appearing all over the track, and you can create a node point by just clicking on that particular line. So right here you can see a node point is created. You can create different node points all over the track, and the purpose of this node point is if you want to adjust the composite level or the opacity of the video in a particular position, then you can make use of these node points just by clicking and dragging the node point. You can see the opacity is varying in that particular region. So for instance, if you want to make a particular portion in your video to be less visible compared to the other ones, then you can create different node points here. Then you can just click and drag down the node point to a minimum position. Then if you play back, you can see in that particular position the composite level or the opacity of that video is getting reduced to a minimal level. So like this you can have a complete control over the opacity levels all through the track. Similarly, you can have the audio control just by pressing the short key V. You will get a similar line. Here also you can have that node points for better control. Then you can adjust the node points anywhere on the particular track, and here you can adjust the volume according to the purpose. So that's regarding the customized control of the video composite level and the audio properties. That's all regarding the general track properties. Thank you.